What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett, man, co-founder of Forex Executives. And in this week analysis video, we'll be going over three pairs. You guys know I always go over the top two, EURCAD and Great British Pound JPY. Those are the main two pairs that I do trade. But also, we're going to be adding something else in the mix this week. New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. If you guys did see my Instagram post, or if you see me in the Telegram, you've seen that I was in New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc for the long. And we're gonna touch on that later on later on in the video. But right now, let's jump right into it. EURCAD, okay. So let's look on the weekly, man. So on the weekly, we got us a nice doji, right? So if you don't know what a doji means, that's indecision in the market. The bulls and the bears are both fighting. No one is taking control, but it seems that we are still on a overall downtrend. All right, you can see that price is making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, lower lows and lower highs. All right, so we had the push, pull back, had a lower low made, then we had a pullback. So I'm anticipating the market to go all the way down here to these recent lows or even lower. Okay, so that's one thing, right? So we're going to just break this down to the daily, and let's kind of see if we got any kind of confirmation on if the market is going to go bullish or go bearish in this upcoming week. All right, so I think honestly it's all going to depend on the Monday daily close. All right, that's going to kind of give us our direction. So this all my white candles are bearish candles, and my blue candles are bullish candles. All right, so we can see that we got a bearish close on Friday. Okay, we got us a nice bearish close on Friday, and we also see that the market has been creating lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so the market created another lower high, and let's just throw our fib on it, and let's just see where the market came to. All right, bounced off to 78.6. Okay, so we'll be looking for a retest of maybe the 61.8 and a continuation even lower all the way down to the negative 27. Okay, so that's where these two lines come into play. All right, this first yellow line will be a short-term target, and this second yellow line will be a long-term target, all right, at the negative 27. So just keep your eyes on that. But I'm going to be waiting for that first daily close on Monday to see the direction, all right, because the market could do this. The market could spike up and just continue the long, okay? Or the market could pull back and then push on down. That's what I want to see, actually. I want to see the market push up and then push down. So let's just drop down to the H4 and see what's going on the H4, see if we got anything of significance going on. All right, so we had a push down, pull back, and then we had a break of structure. All right, break of the structure area. So the market did pull back, and then it looks like we could get a possible push up. All right, so like I said, I want to see how this Monday candle close. Okay, and that's going to kind of give me my direction for the week. All right, but if I'm looking at it, it looks like the market is creating lower lows and lower highs, and I think that the market is going to continue to stay within this little channel. All right, so let's just jump over to GJ. Let's see what's going on in GJ. So on a weekly, we got a nice bearish pin bar, okay, on the weekly. So that's one thing to keep your eye on, guys. It's a nice bearish pin bar. So all this wick right here is just rejection, all right? So being that we got this nice rejection up here, I'm gonna be looking to take this thing short in the upcoming week, okay? Because prices tried to push up, tried to push higher, and was rejected. All right, too many sellers got into the market at the end of the week and pushed price back down. And sorry guys, sorry for the noise, excuse the noise. But yeah, price just pushed down. Okay, so let's just drop down to the daily, and you guys can see this huge bearish engulfing that closed out on Friday. And I seen a lot of people did catch this move. I actually woke up too late on Friday, and I usually don't trade Fridays, but I seen this move of kind of setting up Thursday, and I woke up too late and missed it. But I seen a lot of guys caught it in the Telegram groups. So good job, man. Whoever caught that, good job. So what I want to see is, I actually want to see the market pull back up and then give us a continuation to the downside. All right, what's going to be the real killer right now is when the market come down to this trend line. So this trend line is super strong, as you can see in the past that it tested it these areas. All right, and the trend line held each time. So we had a nice break of this trend line. The market pulled back to it and pushed up. All right, and so now we having a fall back down. So what I want to see is I want to see the market push back up at the beginning of the week and then give us a move down. But that's gonna, once it gets to this trend line, that's gonna be the area where I'm gonna be looking to see if the market is gonna break, pull back, and continue lower, or if the market is just gonna straight bounce and go all the way back up. All right, so just keep your eyes on this pair and keep your eyes on that trend line in the areas that I got marked off, guys. All right, so last pair, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. So let's just go to the weekly. Okay, we got this nice bullish engulfing on the weekly. We also got us a morning star pattern right here on the weekly as well. And you guys know that the market does pushes, pullbacks, pushes, and I think the market is going to pull all the way back to this key level. Okay, so you guys, I want you to understand something. When a key level or structure area is broken, the market has to pull back to it and retest it before it continues the overall trend. So the market broke this key level, and now the market is pulling back to retest this key level as resistance. And then we may look for a move all the way down to these recent lows or even lower. Okay, so I'm overall bullish on this because of this Morningstar pattern and also this bullish engulfing. I think the market is going to potentially pull back and then continue on up to this key level. Okay, so let's just drop down to the daily so you guys can see a better picture of this. All right, so you can see that the market did create a double bottom. All right, down here, the market did create a double bottom and pushed up, made a pullback, and then I'm anticipating the market to push all the way up. This is where I have my take profit at 0.650. I mean 6,500, sorry, or even higher to this key level at 0.6525. All right. So like I said, the market did create this double bottom and it exploded up. All right. So the market did pull back, and now I'm looking for the market to continue on up to this side. All right. So like I said, I want to see the market kind of pull back at the beginning of the week. I want to see it kind of pull back, maybe retest these lows, or even go to this low of this candle right here, and then give me a bullish engulf in the bullish pin bar to continue on up all the way to 0.6500 or 0.6525. All right, so those are the three pairs that I analyzed this week, guys. If you got any questions, any concerns, feel free to reach out to me, man. My Instagram is Terrell Bennett. Just my first and last name. So it'll be Instagram.com/Terrell Bennett, TerrillBennett. And you can find me on there, man. I post frequently. And also, man, you know, smash that like button, smash that, that subscribe button. I'm gonna be putting out 2 videos per week, man. Every Sunday I'm gonna be doing an analysis video, and every Wednesday I will be picking a topic to talk about when it comes to forex, man. Whether it's risk management, the psychology, the emotional battles that I went through to get to where I am right now, and I got a long way to go. I'm still working every single day. I'm still practicing every single day. I'm still putting in work every single day, man. So this is an ongoing journey, and I just want to take you guys along with me on this journey. All right, so feel free to leave a comment, reach out to me, holler at me. You got any questions, man? I do everything in my power to answer them. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but I done put in some time and I done put in some work, and I done experienced a lot in this market, man. So just keep applying pressure, and I hope everybody have a great trading week. Let's get it.